We've seen flooded areas and we'll continue to have the potential for flooding as we go into our Tuesday night. It's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Good to be with you. Happy belated Christmas to all celebrating. Happy Kwanzaa to all celebrating as well. Let's take a look at our alerts. Now, everywhere in dark green is in a flood watch to highlight the potential for flooded roadways and rivers as we go into Tuesday night. But there are some areas that are in a flood warning right now, and that is in Henderson County, which means flooding is occurring or is imminent. And if you live in these low-lying areas or along a stream or a creek, you want to make sure you're staying safe here. So let's take a look at our flood threat. This is from the Weather Prediction Center, which is part of NOAA. A large swath of western North Carolina in a level 2 of 4 risk for excessive rain. That means that scattered areas of roadway flooding will be possible. Not a definite, but possible as we go into Tuesday and Tuesday night. Here's a look at our rainfall totals so far. Once you get south of Interstate 40, we've seen over 2 inches of rain in those areas in purple. 3 to 5 inches of rain along the North Carolina-South Carolina border. Once you get further east, that rainfall is lower. We see between 2 to 3 inches of rain till just about halfway between Marion and Hickory, and in Statesville sees about a ½ inch to an inch. We need the rain. We'll take it, but this is a little too much for some areas here. And you see as we go into our timeline that the rain just continues as we go into the afternoon and into the evening here. Asheville could see some airport delays as a result of the rain we've seen so far and the rain that we could see as we go into tonight here. Winds will be a little bit gusty, but no wind damage is expected. Temperatures stay in the 50s and then go into the 60s as we go into Wednesday afternoon, which should be drier and even a little bit brighter as well. Here's a look at rainfall totals to come here across the region. So we're talking about anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain here by the time all will be said and done along the I-40 corridor from noontime-ish on Tuesday through Wednesday around noon. And that doesn't take into account what we already saw from Christmas going into the early parts of our Tuesday here. So we take a look at our storm notes. Road and river flooding continue to threaten here across the region. The heaviest rain continues through this evening. And then, hey, how about an early look at New Year's weekend looking to be dry and seasonable across western North Carolina? For more from me and our lead weather team, you can check out our Across the Sky podcast because we have an episode about the 10 things you need to know about winter. You can find out wherever you get your podcast.